Stop making these type of relaxing short videos. I know they were going viral for a while. They were super chill, easy to make, and people love them. But here's the thing. Times have changed. And honestly, they're not the best option anymore. Views have started to drop, and the hype isn't really there like it used to be, but don't worry. I've got something way better for you. Today, this new strategy is not only more effective, but it's also way easier. We're talking about making full-on videos in less than 5 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. No more spending hours on editing thumbnails or getting the perfect shots. It's almost too simple, and it still gets a ton of views. All right, so here's the game-changer plan. For this video, first we're going to generate some Heading over to Leonardo I and navigate to the image creation section. Once you're there, select the anime style for your images. After that, adjust the ratio to 9:6, which is perfect for mobile formats with all the settings in place. It's time to start generating the images using prompts. Simply copy and paste the first prompt in the designated field and hit generate. Once your images are ready, make sure to download them. Now we'll generate more images. Take the 2 additional prompts provided in the description and repeat the process. Paste the prompts and generate the images once they're ready. Download all of them. You're all set to move on to the next phase, which is editing the video. We don't really have much to edit in these types of videos, and that's the best feeling. Who likes editing anyways? Head over to CapCut and start by adding your animation to the timeline. Now for the final touch, adding music. Pick a track that fits the vibe of your animation and drag it underneath the 2 video clips on the timeline. Once the music is in place, cut it in the middle so that it aligns perfectly with the length of your video. Afterward, click on the music track and adjust the volume. You want the audio to complement the animation without overpowering it, so reduce the volume until it sounds just right on your end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on making it big on social media. Got questions or want to share your own experiences? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.